Tuna, health benefits and risks. Is tuna really healthy? High in protein, low in calories. But what about mercury? Let's break it down. Tuna is one of the most consumed fish in the world. It's affordable, convenient, and easy to include in meals. But eating tuna too often may not be harmless. Tuna is rich in protein. It helps build and maintain muscle. It is also low in calories, which makes it popular in many diets. Tuna contains omega-3 fatty acids, important for heart and brain health. It also provides vitamin B12 and vitamin D, which support energy and immune function. Tuna is a good source of selenium, a mineral that protects cells from damage. Thanks to this nutritional profile, tuna offers several health benefits. It supports muscle growth. It helps you feel full for longer periods of time. Tuna can support heart health and contribute to normal brain function. It can also be useful for weight management when consumed in moderation. However, tuna also has downsides. Tuna contains mercury. Mercury accumulates in large fish over time. Consuming too much mercury can affect the nervous system. Eating tuna every day significantly increases this risk. Pregnant women should be especially cautious, and children should limit their intake. Canned tuna is convenient and affordable, but it is often high in sodium. Fresh tuna usually has better texture and taste, but both options can be healthy choices. The key is moderation. So how often should you eat tuna? Most experts recommend 2 to 3 servings per week. Choosing smaller tuna species can help reduce mercury exposure. It's also important to vary your protein sources. Balance is key. Tuna is nutritious, but it is not risk-free. Eat it smart, not every day. How often do you eat tuna? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more clear food facts.